Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an all drugstore look. I don't really know what look I'm gonna do, but I asked y'all on my Instagram story what videos you wanted to see, and so many of you said something related to drugstore. So I thought I would do a whole drugstore makeup look, and I feel like I haven't really played with other makeup in a while, okay? I've been stuck to my Project Pan products and I'm dying, basically. So yeah, I'm super excited just to have fun today and just use different products. I guess I'll just go ahead and get started. Let me know what your guys' favorite drugstore product is, because I'll kind of show you guys some of my favorites. I do have a lot of stuff to show you because I have some new favorites, some holy grails, and I'm just so excited. Okay, so the first product I've been obsessed with is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Love this stuff. I mean, I feel like this is still having its moment on the internet. It's gonna take about that much, and and just prime my skin. I am so obsessed with this. I feel like e.l.f. really did themselves on this one because it really is amazing. Also, ignore my hair. I'm not really sure what it's doing, but it's here. I am gonna use an oldie but a goodie. This is the e.l.f. powder and gel duo. So this is the powder side right here, and then this is kind of like the Anastasia Dip Brow right over here. I'm just gonna take this guy. I'm gonna take the kind of gel side. I'm using this because Ashlyn used it, and I'm obsessed with her. Gosh, I haven't used this in such a long time. I'm like holding my breath. I seriously used to be obsessed with this stuff. I wore this stuff all the time. It's like not sticking above where my hairs are. I kind of like to overline it, and you can like tell it's obvious. It's really streaky up there. I wonder if we go in with some powder, that'll make it better. Let's just try. So that is the brows. I'm gonna go ahead and set them with my Essence Lash and Brow. I don't know why, but I've been using this a lot. You guys can tell, like, I'm almost out of it. I don't know if you guys can tell that. So I'm just gonna set my little brow hairs. e.l.f., come on, what are you doing? It's like wiping it away. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can clean it up with some concealer. Okay, so I saved them a little bit. I'm not mad at them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the face makeup. I normally always do my eyes first, but I'm gonna switch it up. So let's do the face. So I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Mine is in the shade Soft Beige. To blend it in, I'm gonna take the Rimmel sponge. Not sure if this is in stores yet. I did get this in PR, and I have been obsessed with this sponge. Okay, this sponge is so nice. So I am just going to blend it out. Is so nice. It's full coverage, lightweight on the skin. And now for concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C1. To set my under eyes, I'm going to take the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. This stuff is so amazing. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm going to take the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. This is so old, I've had this forever, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this guy. I don't know what brush I want to use. I do remember this being super orange, so hopefully it's not. Oh, it's a good color. I do really like this bronzer. I just need to use it more. So happy not to be using my Estee Lauder one. If you guys don't know, that is in my project pan. I'll leave all my playlists for my project pans down below. Yeah, just really happy to be using something different because that bronzer is taking forever to finish. I don't know why. It's just so tightly packed that there's literally no way that I'll ever be able to hit pan, I feel like. I'm gonna just put a little bit down my nose. Oh darn, I forgot the trash again. You guys know this is like a thing on my channel. My husband is deployed and ever since he left, I've just been forgetting to take out the trash because he normally does that and I haven't taken out the trash. I mean, I have, but I've been really good about it. But yeah, I forgot to do it. Ooh, I really love this bronzer. I need to use it more. I used to be obsessed with it, obviously, because I hit pan on it. And for blush, I'm gonna take the Essence Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Coral. I really love these blushes. These blushes are probably one of my favorites from the drugstore. They just give a really nice blushy look without it being too intense. All right, and I'm gonna spray my face one more time with the Pixi Glow Mist. Okay, so I'm gonna do my highlighter before my face dries completely. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. It's just so good. I cannot not use this because this probably beats so many of my high-end highlighters. I can't even. This stuff is gold. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to prime really quick. I'm going to use the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. I'm not sure what shade this is, but I do know they have, this is the pinkier one, and they do have like a yellow toned one, kind of like a liquid version of MAC Paint Pot. So I'm just going to put this on my lid. I really love these. I feel like nobody talks about these, and I've been using these for, I want to say like 2 years now. They're really, really good. And they're like $4. They just really brighten up the eyes. They're a good eyeshadow base. So for eyeshadow, I have something super exciting to share. These do not launch until April 1st. So sorry to bum you out, but I want you guys to see them in action and kind of decide whether or not you want to purchase them when it launches. So these launch April 1st. They are Copycat Beauty. I know I shared how I felt in the other video, but I said in my previous vlog that my opinions kind of changed and their products aren't bad. Like, if you watch my Copycat review video, the products are not bad. I'm gonna be honest, they're bomb as hell. Like, let's just be real. So they came out with dupes for the Huda Beauty palettes, like her mini ones, and I'm just gonna share them with you. So there's 4 palettes. This one is Smoke It Out. This one is Autumn. This one is Shocked. And this one is Cafe. So we're gonna go ahead and use Autumn. I will leave my link down below so you guys can purchase these. So I'm gonna take this color right down here, and this is going to be our transition color. Whoa, okay, so it's super pigmented. I think I want to take this shade right here. It's like calling my name. It looks a little deeper in person. It's looking a little bright on camera. We're just gonna go for it. If it turns pink, whatever. Ooh, that's pink. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and go in with this like chocolatey brown shade and try to deepen it up out here. So I'm gonna take the Smoked palette and go in with this light shade right here. I'm gonna see how it looks without it being sprayed. Oh, whoa, that is beautiful. Just for the sake of this, I do just wanna see what it looks like when it's sprayed. that is beautiful. Put that same shade in my inner corner as well. Wow, these shadows have no fallout either. And a little bit on my brow bone. Okay, so something super exciting. I've been teasing you guys so much the past few weeks. I told y'all that I would put this in my favorites video and you guys were just gonna have to wait. I just have to show you because this mascara is bomb. Like, you guys know how I feel about Too Faced Better Than Sex. This tops that to a T. This is the new CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. This is so good. I cannot stress to you how freaking amazing this is. You guys are just gonna have to wait and see. But the brush kind of resembles Better Than Sex a little bit, if you guys can tell. So something that I've noticed with my Better Than Sex is that sometimes it'll kind of transfer down here and then I'll just have black dots throughout the whole day because of the mascara. It's so good. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys. Look at this difference. Like, are you joking me? I don't even need to wear false lashes. It's so crazy to me. This is insane. I love this mascara so much. I got a little on my lid, but it's okay. For lip liner, I'm gonna take the CoverGirl Exhibitionist lip liner. These are also some of my favorites. Oh, okay. And this is in the shade Caramel Nude. And also, this is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in the shade Current Nude. Ah, yes, I love this shade. Like a perfect nude shade. Huh. And for a gloss, you guys know how I feel about the Rimmel London Show Off Lacquer. Love this stuff so much. You guys know how old this sucker is. Probably shouldn't be using it. This is like probably 5 years old. I just love it. It's literally the perfect nude gloss I've found. I need to get another one. Okay, and I'm gonna spray my face one more time. Okay, so that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I need to do more drugstore videos. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Yeah, I love the eyes. It's a little bit more pinkier than I planned. I wanted to do like a super bronzy look. I'm not mad. I really like it. Like this video if you enjoyed it and make sure you subscribe. We're almost at 70,000 subscribers. I feel like I'm gonna blink and then we're gonna be at 100,000. I can't even imagine, like I can't even picture me hitting 1,000 subscribers because it's just so unreal. That's like my dream. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, like it if you did. Make sure you're subscribed and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.